Hey guys, welcome to the What the Fuck channel where I try stuff I found on the internet so you don't have to. Excuse my voice, I'm still kind of sick. Today we have a very special episode. I had Mark choose a country for me to get snacks from Worldwide Treats. I have no idea what's in here. He does, and I can hear him laughing in the bedroom right now. I'm excited. Let's get started. All right, here we go. First look. It looks like this is a box of Russian snacks. And I am very, very excited. But fuck yes, I'm excited. And apparently so is Simon. You excited? You don't get any. I love you. All right, so first off, we've got Honey Heart Blackberry. They look like little, like, chocolates. You look hilarious. They look like chocolates, like maybe with like some kind of filling. Excited for those. Oh my god. Caruso. Oh wait, cream pita. Mascarpone cream with apricot. It also looks like it's chocolate. Tops. Biscuits with orange flavor, filling, and chocolate coating. Those could be good. Poopa. It has little coffee beans on it. Crambles, bruschetta, tomato, and mozzarella. I think those are pretty straightforward. Eugenia, original. The only English on this package is where it says original. It's some kind of biscuit. Yogurtiti. It's really just like a little hard candy. It's like cherry with yogurt. Got a couple of those. Another one, which is peach. Dorina. Oh, it looks like a Toblerone. Ooh, this one's soft too. Big Bim. Big Bim. I don't know. They look like little Debbie cakes or something. This one just doesn't have any English on it whatsoever. And it's just like, I don't know, it's just like a dude playing with toys on the front. Whatever that means. Hooligan Pretzel Crush. Sriracha. Oh, they're like those little pretzel bits. I don't remember the name of them right now, but they're decent. Last but not least, Choco for You. They look like Kit Kats. All right. Where to start? Where to start? I kind of want to start with these Hooligan pretzels. All right, let's try it. I have high hopes for this one. Oh, that definitely smells like sriracha. It smells really good. It's just a little pretzel piece. Yeah. It tasted really good for like a second. I was like all about it, but then it started to taste like plastic. I don't know, maybe that was just a bad one. Let's try another one. No, there it is again. I mean, they're still good as long as you don't get to the aftertaste. So if I just keep shoveling them in my mouth, they'll be great. And I want to try one of these Bic Bim little cakes. Zero English, but it looks like it's going to be some kind of chocolate cake like thing. Ooh. They smell just like those little Hostess cakes, like the little round ones with the white squiggle on them. Oh, it smells so good. That had the potential to be so good. It's actually really dry. Like, it feels like it's gonna be like nice and moist. No. No, it was a lie. God, I wanted that to be good. It's got like the filling in the middle. Yeah. Maybe Mark will like that. Let's do this one. The one with nothing. Alright, no English on it. Just a picture of a boy playing with toys or something. There is nothing. There aren't even any ingredients on the back. Chocolate. Oh my god. Oh. It's chocolate, like, with, like, a thick wafer. Alright, let's give it a try. Yep. That's chocolate and wafer. Oh, no wonder there was nothing on the package. It's actually incredibly boring. The chocolate's actually, like, a little bit bitter. But not, like, dark chocolate. Like, that's milk chocolate. It's just like more on the bitter side. I want to try Honey Heart because it's the cutest thing in here. So it looks like it's gonna be some kind of like chocolate covered like cream or something. Oh god, I just like, oh, they are not wrapped in here. I thought they would be. Pretty cute little heart. Ready? Well, it's not what I thought it would be. It's like a cookie. And it's got like jelly in the middle. And quite honestly, it doesn't taste like anything. Okay, now I'm getting a flavor. It's not a good flavor. It's like gingerbread chocolate jam. Not good. Oh, I was excited for that one too. Damn it. Okay. Next up, we're gonna try Eugenia. Again with no English. Your guess is as good as mine. Little cookies, little biscuits. Oh, they're filled with chocolate. Smells like plastic. Should it smell like plastic? And then, like, dead serious, it smells like sweet plastic. I am so confused. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh. It tastes exactly the same as it smells. I don't taste any chocolate. Maybe that wasn't chocolate. I don't know. Mostly plastic. It tastes like if you chew on your nails while you have nail polish on. I don't like it at all. Why can't I find something good? Oh, Russia. Alright, so next we're gonna try Tops. This gets with orange flavor filling and chocolate coating. This one has English on it, but only because someone put a big ass sticker with the nutrition facts. Here's the top of the cookie. It looks interesting. Alright. Oh. It's soft. Whoa. That was weird. For the first like 75% of chewing, this just tasted like cookie. I couldn't taste the chocolate or the orange or anything. Just cookie. But then, very end, I got the tiniest little hint of orange. I mean, it's not bad. That bite was better. I think I got more of the orange in it. The orange is like almost like a gummy. Not as tough as a gummy, but it was like jello-y. And it's just like not the texture I want with a cookie. Hey, you stay away from that bark box. Yeah. The chocolate still tastes like nothing though. It's very weird. Russia's chocolate game just isn't that strong. Next, I want to try these Crumbles tomato and mozzarella bruschettas. They look good. I mean, like, how could you go wrong with just, like, bread? This package definitely has the most English out of all of them. It, like, tells you what's in it on the back in a little diagram. Oh, they're really cute. Just like little bread chips. They smell really good. These are decent. It's not like overpowering, it's just, I could eat like all of these. Saving those for later. Alright, next let's try these like Kit Kat things. Choco for you. Oh, this one has a sticker too. Ah. Okay. So it just broke right in half. Oh yeah, that's a Kit Kat. Got the wafers and the chocolate. Wow, another wafer and chocolate combo. Excuse me. I don't really like Kit Kats. Those taste exactly like a Kit Kat. Alright, next. Why don't we try the Dorina? It looks like a Toblerone. It's got some kind of nuts in it, but it doesn't want to tell me what kind, so. Oh, it almost looks like there's like honey in it or something. Still looks like a Toblerone. Yeah, it's got nuts in it. Their chocolate tastes like nothing. That's such a weird flavor. Like I taste chocolate, but not like a lot of chocolate. It's just not very pronounced. But whatever nuts they put in this are now all stuck to my teeth. Like, they're like sticky. Unless it wasn't nuts. And it was like honey pieces. I honestly have no idea what I just bit into. I'm gonna let Mark try that one because I have no fucking clue what I just bit into, and it makes me uncomfortable. It didn't taste like, I don't know, it was just a really weird mouthfeel. Like it tasted like kind of like chocolate with some nuts in it, yet everything got stuck to my teeth. Oh, that was strange. All right, time for poopa. Little coffee beans on it, enriched with coffee. Hey, look, English. Yep, that's it though. That's it for the English. Looks like a little bar of chocolate. Everything has to be chocolate. I was not expecting that. Coffee. I don't hate this. This is actually really good. It was surprising at first just because I was expecting some kind of like crunch or something, and it's just all soft all the way through, but it's like almost like velvety. Like, oh, I don't know. That was amazing. I'll take like 500 more of these, please. Actually, I'm going to do these last just because they're hard candy. For the moment, at least I have been waiting for. The Caruso. Oh, this is going to be weird, guys. Are you ready for this? Mascarpone cream with apricot. It's a pita. It just looks like a roll. Like a literal roll. And honestly, it doesn't feel like there's anything inside of it, but I know there's supposed to be. Oh, this is just the weirdest goddamn thing. It's gonna be like a chocolate bread. It's just falling apart. It just looks like there's definitely some kind of filling, but just like a very small amount. I don't see any mascarpone. It almost tastes like a Danish, but not good. Like this like bread is really flaky, but then also not at the same time. It's also like super soft. And like the filling inside, you can't, it's not like super pronounced. Like it's there, but it's like in the background. I don't like that very much. Hey, you can't have it. Not my favorite thing ever. I don't like it. Alright, let's try one of these hard candies. Do you guys remember those Lifesavers that looked just like this? Was it Lifesavers? I don't know. This is supposed to be cherry with yogurt. This tastes exactly like cherries and yogurt. Like usually when you read packages, it's like yogurt and it's just cream, you know? No, this tastes just like yogurt. My mind is a little bit blown here. This is good. Alright, so I know I didn't like a lot of this stuff, but in my defense, I'm not that big on chocolate. But, I mean, everyone has different taste buds. I mean, what could be gross to me, Mark could love. So I'm gonna let him try all this stuff later. I'm not gonna make a video because he doesn't like being in my videos. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying it's gross. You know, everyone has different taste buds. And what could be gross to me might be amazing to Mark, you know, or anyone else. This just isn't really my cup of tea. Yeah, let me know which one was your favorite and which country you think I should do next. Thanks for stopping by to the What the Fuck channel. This has been an adventure. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. I know Simon is suffering because I won't give him chocolate. Yeah. He'll survive. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one.